Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to close Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, log in into your Shopify account, click on settings and click on plan, and here you will find this option deactivate. So to delete or pausing the store, you have to click on deactivate. And before you go, review the steps to take before closing your store. You can read this article and now select the reason why you are closing your store, and then click on continue and enter your Shopify account password and then click on deactivate now. So this is how we can close our Shopify store.
If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.